Yuri Zakhariev of Ukraine, and he'll be taking on Nurbek Mursal of Kazakhstan.
Representing Ukraine, Zakhariev Yuri.
At least a round behind against his opponent.
Kazakhstan, Mursal Nurbek.
This man too had a close encounter. Kazakh advantage. Let's see. Going to be tight for sure. Trying a couple of prods into the midsection, Mursal. But Zakhariev able to defend himself quite ably now, looking for a couple of moves of his own. Relatively incident-free first round so far. Very much space of two heavy punchers just sussing things out to settle into the bout, taking their time midway through the first round. Zakhariev has landed a couple of blows in recent times. Mursal, we know, is defensively quite efficient. Continue in that same vein at the moment. Love those top angle shots. Always gives a very good idea about the spaces being occupied. As with every combat sport, you have to recollect that the athlete themselves, they see everything in 3 dimensions. When we are watching on a monitor, it's only those 2 dimensions which are visible to us. The athlete, look at length, breadth as well as height. Everything matters. Everything offers you a little bit of scope, a little bit of space to move into. That's why peripheral vision is so much an important factor. It's not about merely keeping your eyes on your opponent, it's also about knowing exactly where you are relative to the 4 corners of the ring. A fairly clean first round where there haven't been too many stoppages, not too many entanglements, but a fair amount of engagement between the two. Judge is over, but Mursal is also very smart in the way that he started. Definitely got some decent punches in, and his defense, as we've emphasized, is something to behold. That defensive performance actually gives him the lead at the moment. It's 4-1 in favor. The best of the best in action here at the World Boxing Cup Finals in Greater Noida. An ending event, especially on the World Cup circuit, with stages played previously in Brazil and Kazakhstan. Of course, many of these countries, not necessarily all these boxers, also part of the World Championships which happened in Liverpool earlier this year. A few of those medalists from that World Championships are part of the fray, but quite a few missing out. But with those nations or those federations qualified, there have been some representatives sent over in any case. And for some of those younger boxers, an outstanding opportunity to learn some great lessons, watch some of the world's best in action, take notes, hopefully tune into the broadcasts as well. Nurbek Mursal, it will be very interesting to see how he manages this from here with a 4-1 lead. Knows that a second round going his way would pretty much settle it in his favor. Probably has half an inch or an inch in terms of a height advantage. What he wants to do is stay away from the punching range of the Ukrainian as much as possible.
Минута осталась, сам работай! Дальше, дальше, дальше! Дальше, вот хорош, повторяй!
You often hear a lot of football managers or soccer managers, for some of you, prefer that word,
Не твоя!
say that the first line of attack is from the defense. The goalkeeper who's actually the first attacker in many senses.
Дальше, дальше!
Something similar in boxing, I suppose. If you want to launch into good aggression, it does begin with having a solid defense. The more you can rebuff your opponent, the more you can push him into indiscretions. That opens up avenues for you to attack yourself, and that's the philosophy that Mursal has taken to this bout.
Под тобой!
Mostly been on the defensive, but every now and then just reaches out,
Дальше,
especially
дальше,
with that
дальше!
long left of his, and connects against Zakhariev.
Дальше с ногами! Бить надо удары, я говорю, вырывай!
The second round, which wait and watch. Zakhariev making some positive moves, trying his best to overturn this deficit. But Mursal with some solid defending and some good counter punches from time to time. That little reach of his. So the second round also won by Mursal, but now by a much slimmer margin. It's only 3-2. A minor opportunity, and something that Mursal will also be aware of. But he's not completely out of bounds yet.
Сам накатывай! Надо ждать, ближе с ногами подходи! Повторяй сразу! Дальше, вот молодец, хорошо, гони, гони! Ближе, да, ближе!
70 kg action. Hitesh Gulia making it through. Yet another Indian finalist for the Thursday finals.
Уже включился, уже включился!
Fans will be hoping it's not just the finals, but it's also the national anthem, which plays out multiple times. With the Indians finishing on top of the podium.
Хорошо, повторяй! Дальше, дальше!
Final round, Mursal pretty much playing the way that you would expect him to, with the lead. More of a safety first approach by the Kazakh.
Сам, включайся! Парни, удар!
Ukrainian Zakhariev needs to take a few risks. Moving in, trying to land a few decisive punches. Wasn't a bad position to have his opponent in, but Mursal has been very good in his defensive prowess right through. Astonishing stamina in both his bouts. The way that he lasts late into the third round. The way he's able to defend himself, beg your pardon.
Сам работай, сам! Сирине, Юр, Сирине! Дальше, повторяй!
And again points to kind of depth of field, especially in Kazakhstan. Got time on his side, Mursal, and he knows it. Very intelligent defending late in this match. Stay an arm's length away. Watch out for the knockout punch. Run the clock down every time you can. Somewhere Yuri Zakhariev is beginning to realize that this is slipping away from him. That little smile right at the end to set up a final date with Hitesh. Again, good defensive work, weaving and ducking out of the way as often as possible, keeping his guard up. Not too many occasions when he was required to counter punch, but did that with great degree of ease as well.
Result of the bout number 67. The winner on point by split decision. In the blue corner, representing Kazakhstan, Mursal Nurbek.
Yes, a split decision even in the final one. In fact, Zakhariev winning that final round 3-2.